Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Chorokyu videos, 164 tune cars, and other car toy brand. So anyway guys, I have another additional in my Chorokyu collection. And it's an airplane. Um, it's a ANA, All Nippon Airways airplane guys. Uh, ANA JA 8961 Boeing 747. So guys, I just bought this on a online shop and arrived this morning. So I already clean it up guys. And let's check this out guys. So anyway, this is my first Chorokyu airplane guys, and it's kind of big compared to the standard cars. As you can see guys, this one guys, maybe this Japanese character says ANA, All Nippon Airways, and then the logo of Japan. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. This is a JA 8096. I thought it was 8961. So anyway guys, it's a JA 8096. As you can see, both sides guys has a Japanese character that I cannot read. I'm just assuming these characters are ANA. Okay, ANA, as you can see. Okay, and at the bottom guys, as you can see, Chorokyu 500 high grade number 42. Okay, and released by Takara Tomy in 1992 guys, and it's made in China. Okay, so this Japanese character at the bottom guys, I cannot read it. For sure it's a Chorokyu. Okay, and the pullback mechanism guys still working. Okay, and then I have another guys. In my previous video, I already video this one. It's a ANA Resort Decker. Okay, or Paradise Okinawa Bus. So it's kind of different bus guys, as you can see. Maybe for the guest arrive in ANA Airlines. Then this is the shuttle guys, where the guest will what they call this this is a service vehicle for the guests. As you can see, it's still very good condition. And this one guys, I cannot read. And this one, and on the side guys, I cannot read this also. All I know is this one is a ANA service vehicle for the resort, and still in very good condition. So anyway guys, we'll get back to this one. This is my first Chorokyu airplane, and it's an ANA All Nippon Airways guys. And as you can see, the size of this one, it's kind of big guys, but this one is a standard. Recently guys, I just video a Chibico jet plane guys, so it's kind of bit small. So I did not expect the standard airplane guys was this big, guys. Okay. So anyway guys, I hope I will find the ANA truck and the other ANA what do you call this, ANA vehicles, guys. And I think this is a collaboration of ANA and Cherokee, guys. Okay. So anyway guys, again, this is a ANA All Nippon Airways airplane, this one. And it's my first, it looks like a jumbo jet, Boeing 747 Tune airplane, guys. And this one is the ANA Nippon Airways Resort Decker Paradise Okinawa bus, guys. This one. So I hope that I will complete the set. Even these two are bought in a loose and different shop, guys. That's it, guys. Hope you like my video. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.